Hello, here I have a question. To restring or not to restring this necklace, which is, I mean, original vintage stringing, and I will not claim anything. I'm not sure if it's Native American or not. It is definitely handmade, hand cut brown shell, very much handmade, hook clasp, and we have some coral, and we have this very nice, beautiful pendant made of sterling silver, not hallmark, but I'm sure it is because I tested it. And as you can see, very ornate and detailed cast. So it is strung as many vintage necklaces on old cord, which is, you know, crimped, you know, synthetic cords. They are like, I'm not sure if you can actually see it. No, I have very bad stand. So it is, just believe me, it is like crimped. And the question is to restring it or not, because it is so far it is originally strung.